I will be adding two registers in this area. One will be right here and the other one gonna be facing the toilet. I'm gonna add a wall in that section and the register gonna be in the middle of it. I just cut out the section and install a metal duct vent, then secure it into place. Then I did the same thing for the register that will be facing the back entrance, secure it into place. I make sure to use HVAC tape to seal all the seam. Then I went down to the crawl space to complete that section. I'm gonna be using that T. First, I seal it with the HVAC duct tape. Then I use zip tie to keep it into place. And then I use zip tie to secure the top portion. And then I repeat the same process to complete the entire section. I cut an extra piece of insulation to cover the uninsulated area. Then I use zip tie and staple to keep the line upright and straight to keep the airflow moving better. Now I am working on a custom register because I couldn't find the one I want at the local store. This is just the highlight of how I did it. I did a test fit. And then I did the final connection. Then I secured the register to the 2x4. And then I use duct sealant to seal all the holes. Now I'm gonna be doing the connection at the furnace. First, I drill a hole, then I use a offset snip to cut the hole. Then I install the duct collar. Using a glove, I push in all the metal section to secure it into place. Then I use duct sealant to seal all the seam. And now I'm using the same method to finish the final connection. I turn on the heat to make sure everything is working properly. Now I am one step closer to get this bathroom done. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.